Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to change your Microsoft account name on your Windows 11. So for this guys, first you need to open your Windows settings. After opening the left panel, you can get the option accounts. Just click and open it. And in the right panel, just you need to open your info like this. And here guys, scroll down here, you can get the account option. As you can see, manage my account. Just click and open it. It will open Microsoft account page on your web browser. Just you need to sign in your Microsoft account once again. Just you need to enter your Microsoft account here. So and here guys, you can get the option in your profile section. As you can see your info here, you can get your full name. If you want to change, just click on edit name. From here guys, easily you can able to rename your Microsoft account name. So after entering the name, just you need to enter the captcha given here. As you can see, just enter the captcha. After this guys, just click on save. That's it. So this is the easy and very simple method to change or rename your Microsoft account name on your Windows 11. After renaming guys, if you want to log out your account, from here you can easily able to log out your account. That's it. So this is the easy and very simple method. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.